everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is all about how to monetize your YouTube channel and start earning money. If you've ever wanted to make money online and earn thousands of dollars from the comfort of your home, then this video is for you. YouTube offers numerous opportunities that you can leverage to earn dollars right from the platform. In Pakistan, there are many YouTubers who are already making a significant income through their YouTube channels. But before we dive into the details, let's first understand what YouTube is and how you can earn from it. YouTube is a social media platform that not only provides entertainment but also offers opportunities for online earning. The best part: you don't need to pay anything to use YouTube. You have access to a wide range of videos, including categories like comedy, autos and vehicles, music videos, gaming, sports, and more. Ways to earn from YouTube. Now, the big question is, how do you actually earn from YouTube? When you watch videos on YouTube, you might have noticed ads running during videos. These ads are what contribute to YouTube's online earning model. Essentially, YouTube monetizes through ads from various companies and websites. Ways to monetize your channel. According to the latest YouTube updates, there are two main ways to monetize your channel. Method 1. To be eligible, you need to achieve 4,000 hours of watch time on your videos and have 1,000 subscribers within a year. Once your channel meets these requirements, it becomes monetized. This means ads will run on your videos, and you'll start earning money through these ads. Method 2. Alternatively, you can focus on YouTube Shorts. Within 90 days, if you gather 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on your Shorts videos, your channel will be eligible for monetization. This way, you can start earning from your YouTube Shorts. The beauty of working with YouTube is that it not only offers a platform for entertainment but also creates earning opportunities for content creators. Plus, you can start this journey using just your mobile phone, so even if you don't have a laptop or computer, you can still make money online. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to monetize your YouTube channel and earn money. Whether you choose to meet the criteria through long videos or YouTube Shorts, remember that consistency and quality content are key to building a successful channel. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep creating, keep earning, and keep shining on YouTube.